Okay, so here's a really quick, simple tutorial on doing output for QuickTime in Final Cut. Um, all I want you to do for this tutorial is we're going to select the clips in the timeline. So right now what we need to do, I deselected them by clicking in the timeline. Next thing to do is I want you to take the mouse button and then drag to the left so you have everything selected, and then go up to the File menu and then go to Export, and then go down to Using QuickTime Conversion. Okay, so then you select this, and you come up with a menu that where you can store the file. And we're going to put this on the Media PT in our folder, and then we can name this. I'll call it movie, and then we need to select what the codec is, or the compression for the video. Okay, so what we want to do for this file is choose H.264, which is a good compression, but also let me just explain a little bit about the different compressions that are available. So if you click on Settings, and then you go to this little menu that says Compression Type, we have all these different types of compression we have here. Okay, we have some ones that are kind of from older systems, going to standard video to HD here, and we have some high def ones down here, and some other consumer HD things here. Okay, and then some other sort of web and other still formats we can do for doing video. But what we want to use here today is H.264. And we want to do this for best compression quality right now. Press OK. And then for sound, we want to leave it at the same sound quality. In the settings for this, we have a couple different options here. Linear PCM will be our uncompressed, somewhat uncompressed audio here. Okay. Then Apple has their AC version, which is a compressed format. It's pretty good. There's some other ones that are for here's one for voice, which is not that great, but they're pretty good, and they have specific uses. Okay, but for our situation, they aren't that appropriate. Okay, so anyway, so what we'll probably use for these projects in the class are linear PCM or AAC. Okay, so let's just choose linear PCM right now. Okay, and then press OK, and we can leave this checked also. Okay, and then press OK. Leave the movie the way it is, like that, the name of the movie, and then press save. And that's all that's to it. And it renders out and creates the movie.